mind kept filling with lots of questions. Why Pino when he's young? Why him when I still need him? But that, I said it. Pino said it good. But to be very good, God, this is your fault. But to be very good, this is your fault for making Pino pass away. You see it, but God always has a reason for bringing us. God, make us sorrow, tip, where it, I would say, the curricum. Yeah, but God, I can curricum, very the Pino, I can curricum, very the Caesars. Pino, where that means so tatagi, this is the top. This is the humble itself. Not our waivers. We just never knew the answer of why we wanted to pray. But our castle to be a good part, it already I feel. What can I say? My purpose, it took Pino away from me so I can start doing God's work. That way I can help. To the families, I'm sorry for your loss. To the friends, to the neighbors, Pino was a great person. Yeah, I was a very good person. You guys have put Pino as I've gathered around together. You guys have put Pino as a party to fair, laugh together, bring back the family times. Pino did all this, and that was his goal when he told me. He wants to bring the family together. He wants the mom to see him graduate. He wants the sisters to look up to him. That was Pino's goal, but I didn't get to help him fulfill it. Yeah, but I ever read a couple of things like why Pino passed away. I was trembled, heartbroken, but I still find a way. God is the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. When we were born, Jesus was with us. When we die, Jesus is still going to be with us. While our families passed away, while our friends passed away, while Pino passed away, we can still hold on to Jesus because Jesus can put us together. Jesus can hold us together and become strong. Jesus took, ik kijk over te buiten, weet over die arisu. Nou, weer is kan hem not, only Jesus. Weer te agasal, zeg ik je weer stop purified. Maar hij zei, kut. Ik kut. He's a son that really means a lot to all of us. Of us too. Wow, this is Kiri Shoheb, Jesus. I used to be in the darkness, but because of this, I'm back up. Wadorna Sarat, Yababut, Useru Kusai Takia, the Perita Jesus, Yapatawatu, with that. Mashira Iverisi. So I want to prove to people that Jesus is still alive. Jesus can reach out to you guys. Jesus is never too late. He gave you a choice. God sent His only Son, that whosoever believed in Him should not perish, but have an everlasting life. God te tirati nere aravet. Biye the good. Esam nana kokoti. Esam turoro not a hell. Esam mut. We will give you the eternal life, heaven. That is the purpose why God brought His only Son, because Jesus was there to die on that sin and for us to be free and have the key to enter the gates of heaven. So this is our last song, and thank you guys for letting us do this. So, guys, stand up. We're gonna stand up on this side.
We kiso cabur ngari kebi. Ifanso ngabure.